Hello and welcome to another edition of 10-Minute Tech. This is Mr. Winkler, Classroom Technology Integration Specialist serving Silver Lake, Lincoln, and Price Elementary Schools. Today's video is going to be about RTI files, and RTI folders, and how to create and put the documents that you have created into the necessary locations. The place that you're going to go to get to these files is your computer, or in this case on a Windows 10 machine, this PC. And when you open this, you are going to look for your S drive or your shared drive. And when I select my shared drive, we're going to have to scroll down through some of these folders. And we are looking for a folder called RTI Share. When I select RTI Share, the very top folder has all the master files in it. And then, of course, you can see the different schools have their own respective folders. I have created a fictitious school just because I don't want to open these folders and expose sensitive information. So I've created an example school, so we're going to be using this particular folder today. But in the master forms, I can open that, and what you're going to see is a lot of Word documents. And you would look for the document that you are looking for, and today I'm just going to pick, let's just say a Tier 2 worksheet. When this opens up, it's going to open up into Microsoft Word. And again, this is a read-only file. So what I have to do is make a copy of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide up here to File, and I am going to select Save As. And then I'm going to choose the location where I want this to be. I'm just going to put it on my desktop for today. Then it's going to ask me to give it a name. So I could just type in here fictitious student name. I'll just type John Doe. And then I'll click on Save. And then this file is now saved on my desktop. Now, of course, I can't type in this read-only file, so I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to minimize this for a second. And then I'm going to look to my desktop and find out where my John Doe file is. And it happens to be right here. So what I'm going to do now is I would tap to open this. And once this is open, now I can start filling in the information that I need to. And once I'm finished completing all this information, of course, I can save it. And I can close it. And then I can go back to my shared drive. Remember, I just minimized this from before. And if I needed to put this in a particular folder, I'm just going to use the back arrow. And I'm going to put it in my example school. And of course, you would put it in whatever school you want to enter this file into. I made a fictitious grade 1 example class, so I'm pretending that John Doe is in this class. So I can open this up, and of course there's nothing here now, but all I would have to do is now find my John Doe file, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it right in here. Once I do this, of course, anybody who has access to an S drive, any teacher who wants to fill this information out, or a counselor or whoever, they can see this information that I have now completed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let me know. Thanks for watching.